Hello, dear Santander students. My name is Saksham Singh. Hope you are staying at home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the school remain closed, we should study through videos. Today we study computer and the topic is insert tab. So in the previous video we have completed something about the insert tab. In this video we will move forward and to complete the remaining parts of insert tab. First of all, we have to open the Microsoft Office Word. All of you know, when we double click on this MS Office Word icon, your MS Office Word is open. So now come to this insert tab. Click on this insert tab. If you have seen, we have completed this page: group, tables and pictures, clip art. Now in this video we will study these shapes. What are these shapes and why we use these shapes? These are the ready-made shapes, or we can say, such as rectangles and circles, arrows, lines, flowchart symbols and callouts. As you can see, your math paper, math question paper, or anything like math question paper. For example, let's take an example of math question paper. If you see, there is a question over there like geometry and there is a figure given on it. So these are the question. All the alphabets and symbols we study later. All the alphabets and numbers are typed with the help of keyboard. But how we insert this rectangle or triangle in this page? So we should study about the shape and how we insert. So shapes are helpful in preparing the questions paper of maths. Okay, so how we insert images? So click on this insert, click on this shape button. Now you can see these line shapes. If you want any of the line, you can click on this and draw on it. Basic shapes like rectangle, parallelogram, anything you can see: circle, triangle, right angle, arrows, block arrows, flowchart. We have to make flowcharts in computer. So these arrows are, these boxes or shapes are necessary to make a flowchart. All of you understand? And these are the call outs. We can say that in a picture, when there is a group picture and there is a birthday of one person, so we tag this call out and call happy birthday. This we can show that. All of you understand? So let's take an example of a simple shape, how we can insert it. So I choose this rectangle shape. So click on this. First of all, click on this shape button, then click on this rectangle icon. So when you click, you can see there is a plus sign over there. This plus sign shows that you have to create an image. So like in painting, when you hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse, you can see the triangle is ready to made. You can choose of your size, which size you want. I think it's okay, this size is okay, and release the mouse button. As you can see, your rectangle shape has been drawn. Now come to this point, this format point. If you want to change the style, shape style, this style or this style, any one of your choice, you can choose any one of them. And more shapes are also available. If you click on this arrow, this more arrow, you can see there are number of styles. As you see, if you can choose any one of them, but just clicking on this. So I should remain same. Shape fill. Shape fill means if you want to fill a color in this particular shape. So click on this arrow. You can choose any of the color of your choice. If I choose this lightish blue color, if you shape outline color also, if you click there and click on this black, you can see there is a black outline over there, and the infill color is blue. You can also change the shape size. वो change shape. And shadow effect. If you want to make the shadow like this shadow is slightly right side, right and left side, middle. You can choose any of your choice of your shadow. Okay, and you can choose from there a shadow color also. Okay, understand? If you make them a 3D effect like this, a solid figure, as you can see in your science subject also, there is a questions over there, you in physics. Okay, there is a 3D picture over there like this. You can choose any of them picture. Okay, understand? Now this position, if you want to change the position like this wherever you want to make the triangle. So like in mathematics question paper, there is always this side of the shape, and this side is shape, and this side is question written on it. See the triangle figure number this and like. Okay, all of you understand? Also you can change the size from there also. This is the height. If you increase the height or decrease it, of whatever your choice, you can increase or decrease the width of the rectangle of your choice. So all of you understand how we insert shapes and how we modify that shape also. Want to fill a color, want to fill the outline, want to change the position of this shape, and want to change the size, height and width of the particular shape. All of you understand? Okay, now let's take another example to insert a new image. For example, if you click on this button, if you want to insert this line, we can say a arrow. So there is a plus sign as comes, and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse to make the image. If you want this horizontal line, or we can say a vertical line or slant line, whatever the type of line you want, you can make it. So whenever you select only this line, you can release the mouse button. Your arrow has been set. You can also modify this arrow like this, but it is not visible, only the black color is visible properly. Shape only outline, but there is no shape fill because there is nothing in this area, only a line. Okay, you can shadow effect, give shadow effect, increase the width of the line. Okay, all of you understand how to insert a line and rectangle, and you can insert any of the shape whatever you want. Okay, now we concluded this video. Hope you are understand how to insert a ready-made shape and why we insert these shapes. So there is a question. as the first question is very simple, what are shapes in MS Word, and the second question is slightly tough. I will specify what the type of rectangle I want in your answer. That I write there a dark blue color rectangle. You insert that and modify the also, and a 4 by 5. All of you know this is the size of the rectangle. So do homework and stay at home and staying safe, and goodbye.